Hey everybody, Larry Janeski here with your RainDrop Minute. Did you know that there are contractors that have been installing RainDrop gutter guard for over 20 years without a complaint? Amazing. For a gutter guard, no complaints? That is amazing. This thing works. Here's another excerpt from our installation video. For flat roofs and commercial roofs, you have two options. You can install a J-channel along the back, or use a 3/4 inch PVC pipe. With the J-channel secured to the back, a little bit higher than the front of the gutter. You want to seal between the J-channel and the flat roofing material for any water or debris that's coming straight over and behind the guard. This will keep debris on top of the guard. We know you'll be thrilled with RainDrop Gutter Guard. It is the last gutter guard you'll ever need to install on your gutters. Visit us at raindropgutterguard.com. You know, such a simple product, such an important part of your business. You can make a lot of money with RainDrop Gutter Guard. And that's your RainDrop Minute. See you soon.